In this video, I want to show you how to create shortcuts for apps on Windows. So to do that, come to Start and locate your apps. For example, let me use this Geojay. So once you find the app, right click and go to More. Then click on Open File Location. So when the file location is open, you can see the shortcut for the app. Then right click on the one you want to create shortcut for, then click on Send, and you can see desktop in bracket create shortcuts. Click on it and you can see automatically it has created a shortcut for that very app on the desktop. So let's close this. If you want to create for another app, just search for that app. For instance, let's say this phone lab. So expand it and right click the app, go to More and Open File Location. So this is the file. So right click and go to Send and click on Desktop. You can see it has created a shortcut on the desktop for the app. So in essence, this is how to create shortcuts for apps on Windows. Thank you for watching.